myself Jain Sadhu. Today I am going to explain about surface tension with expression of surface tension on liquid droplets under the guidance of G.B. Pawser. So first of all, what is surface tension? Surface tension is denoted by sigma. So it is defined as the tensile force acting on the surface of liquid which is contact with air and gas. So here I have drawn one diagram. Here is the water and this is the free surface of liquid, and I have take any randomly 3 points of water molecules. This is A, B and C. The therefore acting on molecular A, it is very high or it is greater compared to B and C. The tensile for acting on molecule B, it is minimum compared to other these two, and the last one is the C molecule. It is having less tensile for acting on it compared to A and B. Surface tension is the property of liquid surface that allows it to resist an external force due to cohesive forces between liquid molecules. It is called by the imbalance of the intermolecular forces. The surface intermolecular forces at the surface experiences a net inward force leading to the minimization of the surface area. So let's see the unit of surface tension. Surface tension is equals to force upon length. So force unit is Newton and length is meter. So it becomes Newton per meter. So surface tension's unit is Newton per meter. So after that, let's see surface tension on liquid droplet. So surface liquid droplet assumes spherical shape due to surface tension, which minimize the surface area for given volume. The excessive pressure delta P, the excessive pressure delta P inside a droplet due to surface tension can be derived as Young Laplace equation. So Young Laplace equation is delta P is equals to 2 sigma upon R, where delta P is equals to excess pressure inside the droplet. Sigma is equals to surface tension on the liquid, and R is equals to radius of the droplet. So here I take one example of surface tension, which is inkjet printing. So inkjet printing relies on surface tension to control formation and deposition of tiny ink droplet on a substance. The process involves ink through nozzle, where surface tension plays important role. So here is the expression. First is the droplet formation, after that jet stability, and third one is adhesion to substitution. So first one is droplet formation. Surface tension ensures that the injected ink forms spherical droplet instead of disappearing randomly. So second one is jet stability. Proper surface tension prevents satellite droplet and ensure uniform bending. Third one is addition to substrate. The balance between surface tension of ink and surface energy of substance determines how well the ink spread.